Good afternoon. Thank you. धन्यवाद. आज कक्षा 10 को हामीले विदाई गरिसकेका छौँ. 2081 सालको अन्तिम हामीले विदाई गरेर एउटा सानो हामी प्रोग्रामहरू गर्नेछौँ होइन र यसमा हामीलाई 4वटा मध्ये क्वेसन मध्ये एउटा आउँछ जसमा हामी एरिया अफ ट्रायंगल and area of parallelogram. Okay? यो हाम्रो क्वेसन नम्बर 11 को कन्सेप्टमा छ. यसमा 4वटा छ हाम्रो. एकमा के छ भन्दा के छ अरे एकमा एरिया अफ parallelogram is equal standing between the same base and same line. के अरे एरिया अफ parallelogram is equal standing between the same base and same line. जस्तै हाम्रो यो के हो त एउटा यो ए भयो यो बीसी भनेको हाम्रो बेस भयो यो प्यारलल छ है. अब यसमा हाम्रो छ एई है. अब यहाँ हाम्रो डी छ यता हाम्रो एफ छ है. भनेपछि एरिया अफ parallelogram ABCD is equal to एरिया अफ parallelogram के छ त हाम्रो BCEF भन्ने. एउटा यो कन्सेप्टमा हुन्छ भने अर्को नम्बर 2 कन्सेप्ट हाम्रो के छ 4 कन्सेप्टमा एरिया अफ ट्रायंगल आर इक्वल standing between on the same base same parallel. What in this question? Area of triangle are equal standing between on the same base and same parallel. That means same base or same base like BC base. Okay? Just parallel A B. Here parallel one time parallel here another parallelogram also one and 2 questions. Now one triangle go to the another triangle. Okay, base BC parallel AD and triangle area of triangle what? Area of triangle what? ABC is equal to area of triangle BCD are equal concept 2. Are you clear or not? Theoretical proof, okay? And some questions are related of the relation right in the question number 1A, okay? And 2 apply proof that question. And 3 finding the area of any kind of the side. Yeah, find the triangle between the relation of the parallelogram. And number 3rd and 4th concept same, okay? One is converse, okay? Area of triangle is half of parallelogram, or the area of parallelogram is double of triangle, standing between on the same base and same parallel line concept, okay? And the 2 questions is the figure here triangle. A, B, C, D, okay? One concept means what? D, I should write it here. A, B, E, okay? Area of triangle B, C, E is equal to half area of parallelogram. What? A, B, C, D. Another concept same. Area of parallelogram A, B, C, D is equal to 2 area of triangle B, C, E. Okay? And the 2 concept of number 3. That is 3 and 4. One is theorem, another is converse theorem. Opposite proof. Do you know? Opposite proof converse. And the first of the questions say area of triangle is half of parallelogram And second is area of parallelogram is half of triangle. That's the 4 question. Yeah. Any one question? Will come in? Okay? Are you prepared? This 4 question, compulsory question. Are you ready? Okay. Let's applaud all of the students. Okay? This class. Okay? Thank you.